बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि.
And the fourth precept, not lying. We learn to speak truthful and kind words. And 5 precepts, we try to calm taking the mind instead of always looking for fun and distractions. And the last one, last precept, 8, avoiding high and luxurious beds. We practice humility and simple living today. Okay? These are the 8 precepts in brief. Okay? When water is muddy, can we see the muddy water? Can we see through? We can't see muddy water. We cannot see clearly. When water is clean,
Therefore, our chief monk has organized several celebrations in this temple. Now you have heard very good Dhamma preaching from our one of monks. Therefore, you should keep your awareness on this in this moment to listen to my preaching. Dear student, first we should think about the reason of why we
පූජනීය ලොකු ස්වාමීන් වහන්සේගෙන් අවසරයි. Little upasaka upasika children, are you tired? And asks for our help. We should always try to help them. We must never leave them alone. If we ignore others, we might also get into trouble. So, listen carefully to this story about 4 animals friends on a farm. Once upon a time, a hen, a pig, and a bull were living.
Also become role models for our friends. We become role models for strangers, and we become role models for the entire world. And this is the true act of generosity. We can give to our parents and we can give to the world. So as you do this, the Buddha says, you have done enough, more than enough to repay them if you encourage.
Not me, not me, not me. I bet it was you. Right? You know? Nobody wants to be the I bet it was you. And who do we choose for that person? We choose I bet it was you for the person we know tells lies, don't we? So this is how it works in your actual life. Like if you tell lies, it makes you miserable. It makes the people around you miserable. But if you choose truth, it makes your life not have that problem in it. Now, it may be boring to just merely not have that problem. And I must say, I have seen grown-ups who are addicted to problems because they're so exciting. And as soon as they fix one set of problems, can you feel your backbone? And you can feel all the way down your back, through behind your tummy, down to where your tail would be if you were an animal. And then at the tail part, then there's these kind of 2 wide bits stuck on. Can you feel the wide bits? Yeah, okay. So we can just wiggle the wide bits a bit. Oh, yeah. Now feeling the legs hanging down under that and all the way down to our feet. Can you feel the feet touching the ground? Yeah, you can touch your toes if you want to. It's good. You can do that here, but probably best to do it in
manussānaṁ buddho bhagavati iti piso bhagavā arahaṁ sammā sambuddho vijjācarana sampanno sugato lokavidu anuttaro purisa dhammasārati sattā deva manussānaṁ buddho bhagavati iti piso bhagavā arahaṁ sammā sambuddho vijjācarana sampanno sugato lokavidu anuttaro purisa dhammasārati sattā deva manussānaṁ buddho iti piso bhagavā arahaṁ sammā sambuddho vijjācarana sampanno sugato loka anuttaro purisa dhammasārati sattā deva